Tonight is a night of joy, of music, of food, and of good company. But most of all, it is a night of gratitude for the gift of cooperation, for the people we serve, and for the brighter future we continue to build together.
The Aurora Awards is our annual recognition of cooperatives who are moving towards safety and soundness in an integrated network.
The awards serve as a reminder to always stay true to our mission and not to sway by short-term success. It is a culture, a way of life. It is a badge of honor of cooperatives to always choose what is good, what is just, and what uplifts.
Congratulations to all the awardees and looking forward to connect with all of you.
This is actually a very good venue for all the cooperatives under NATCCO for having this kind of celebration. And we would like to celebrate today all our achievements in the cooperative movement.
To our awardees, congratulations! You are proof that cooperatives are not only beacons of brilliance, but also builders of a better, kinder, and more sustainable world.
In this world where there are difficult challenges, we can only move together and survive and be sustainable if we work together in an integrated network.
Enjoy this evening and let it inspire us as we celebrate both Cooperative Month and International Year of Cooperatives 2025 with renewed passion and purpose. Thank you, and may we all keep walking as children of light. Have a wonderful evening.
As we end the celebration of success tonight, let us pause to raise our glasses and savor the spirit of unity and excellence that bring us together tonight. And for a brighter and stronger cooperative movement in the Philippines, cheers!